Hi, Amanda Fisher with Xero tip number 5. We're going to look today at purchases where the GST is different from the GST that's expected on the type of expense it is. So we're going to go into accounts, and we've got a bill, so we're going to go into purchases, and from purchases we're going to enter a new bill. Now the bill is from MCO Cleaning Services. So MCO Cleaning Services are already in the system. I'm going to put in the date of the bill, and its due date is 14 days later, so you can do a plus 14. That's a nice little trick for that. It's invoice number 52 from this particular supplier, and it's for $70. Now I like to change the amounts tax exclusive to tax inclusive. I think it just makes it easier. In most cases the bill, you're looking at the total amount rather than the exclusive amount. The description there, we're going to have cleaning for February, and it's 1, and its unit price of $70, and it's cleaning, so I'll go type in cleaning. I don't know the number, but cleaning will do. Now this is telling me it's got GST on expenses, but I know that MCO Cleaning Services actually aren't registered for GST. They're telling me they've got an invoice. It's not a tax invoice. There's no GST on the invoice, and so I need you to, in this case, go and drop that down to GST free expenses before I approve it. Now that I can do on a regular basis. I need to be very careful. If, however, these are the only cleaners I use, so I'm going to prove that because that's what I wanted it to be. If they're the only cleaners that I ever use, then I might just go to settings, to the chart of accounts, and find my cleaning expenses. There's my cleaning expenses, and change it to GST free expenses, so they don't have to remember all the time that these guys are GST free and yet cleaning is expected to be a GST. So if you've got a particular supplier that is always GST free and it's the only supplier for that type of category, to make life simple for yourself, go in and change the chart of accounts. Otherwise, when you're in your purchases, have a look and you're adding in your new purchase, just make sure that you're picking up the right tax code in the category here once you've picked up the account. Thank you for listening. Come back and listen to Xero tip number 6.